Hello, people from US. Well, I'm a little bit scared when I am watching and hearing information about the hurricane that you got there, and I know that many of our audience is from United States. So I would like to join just with you operating or your pain, and I hope everything will be good and that hurricane will be not so strong anymore, and I hope that you somehow survive. I've heard many people they're told that they never seen hurricane so strong. They they've seen many hurricanes in their life, but not so strong. So this is terrible, and I just like to say that I'm thinking about you. I hope it will be okay, and sorry that I can't help. It is so strong that they tell us that even in Poland we can feel any changes in our weather, but this is of course nothing, but it shows how strong it is. I never heard that any hurricane in United States will make something in weather in here in Poland. This is the first time I've heard, and I'm really scared about you there. I hope you, like I said before, I hope you survive and everything will be good. So I would like to just send you positive affirmations from here, and I wish you good luck and everything good there. And like I said before, sorry to not I don't know how to help you here, but maybe more my words on or just my ASMR videos that you can regularly find on my channel will be some kind of calming, but I know that in this situation it is hard to thinking like that. So once again, I don't know what to tell, but stay strong, and tell me in the comments if how you doing there, and I really believe that will be many comments that will approve that we are with you there, with our minds, with our hearts, and we believe that everything will be at the finish okay. Goodbye.